Nestled among the multiple trees and bushes, located right in between Lake Erie and the river, located along Canada's southernmost wine route, you can ride your bike to the beautiful wineries, the beach, or the yacht club. This 3,300 square foot home is nestled amongst native trees to the area, attracts multitudes of birds, and is located directly on the water where you can come home at night and relax and unwind. I love how the living room and dining room flow into the kitchen with its open concept, its custom hickory kitchen, as well as all Viking appliances, everything the chef in your family needs. Open concept living dining room area that looks out onto the beautiful water. A nice room to be in the morning for drinking coffee or in the evening to enjoy a glass of wine. The Hoach House, a place for relaxation with the in-ground spa, the wet bar, everything that you need for company staying over or to relax yourself.